Hey guys, what's up? Shreyas here. So today we are going to discuss about squares, right? Squares. You know what are squares? No, right? I'm going to teach you now what is squares. What are squares? Okay. So the previous video we had discussed about trigonometry. So trigonometry, as you know, is just the study of shapes. Yeah, measurements of triangles and the ratios were given some names, cos theta, sin theta, and all, as you know. Yeah, so in today's video we are only discussing about squares. Okay. Yeah, so squares, a perfect square, right? A perfect square number is the product of two equal numbers, right? Product of two equal numbers. A perfect square number is always a positive integer. So for example, so here the perfect square number is the product of two equal numbers, right? So two equal numbers, so 4 and 4, product of two equal numbers. So 4 and 4, 4 into 4 multiplied, 4 multiplied by 4 is 16. So 16 can also be written as 4 square, right? So 4 square is 16. 4 square is 4 into 4 and 4 square is equal to 16. Okay, so like that only, or a perfect square number is always a positive integer. So if I take minus 7 into minus 7 is 49 plus 49, right? So minus into minus is plus, right? So it becomes plus 49. So minus into minus plus, we add plus here first, and next 7 into 7, 49. So what plus 49? 7 answer. So it can be written as 7 minus 7 square, also as 7 square also, right? 7 square also and minus 7 square. So in general, if a natural number m can be expressed as n square, where n is also a natural number, then m is a square number. So in general, if a natural number m, so this is a m, right? So here m, 16 is m, can be expressed as n square. So 16 m can be expressed as n square, 4 square, right? 16 can be expressed as 4 square, right? So where n, so this n is also a natural number. So 4 is also a natural number, right? So 4 is a natural number, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So a number starting from 1, a natural number. So 4 is also a natural number, right? So then m is a square number. So here 16. Is it a square number? Yeah. 16 m is a square number. Okay. So all square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at units place. So here this is tens place, 1 is tens place and 6 is units place. So units place is ending with 6. So all square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. Is here 6 is there, right? So 6 is there. So it is ending with 6. So it is a square number. All square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 at units place only. You know ones place, right? Ones place, tens place, hundred place, thousands place. You all know that, right? So in the units place or ones place numbers, and if the numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9, it is, that number is a square number. Okay, so I'll tell you the squares from 1 to 50. Okay, so 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25, 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121, 12 square 144, 13 square 169, 14 square 196, 15 square 225, 16 square 256, 17 square 289, 18 square 324, 19 square 400, 19 square 361, 20 square 400, 21 square 441, 22 square 484, 23 square 529, 24 square 576, 25 square 625, 26 square 676, 27 square 729, 28 square 784, 29 square 841, 30 square 900, 31 square 961, 32 square 1024, 33 square 1081, 1089, 34 square 1156, 35 square 1225, 40 square 1600, 45 square 2025, 50 square 2500. So here we have given that, it is given that without adding find the sum. So here should not add it, should just find the sum without adding. So here they are given that, it is given that 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. So these 5 numbers are all odd numbers, right? So 1 is also odd number, 3 is also odd number, 5 is also odd number, 7 is also odd number, and 9 is also odd number. So here it's a pattern here actually. So the pattern is, so 5 odd numbers. There are 5 odd numbers, right? So you should make square of it. So 5 square here. So square of 5 or 5 square is 25. So the sum of this 5 odd numbers is 25. The sum of these 5 odd numbers is 25. Right? Sum of these 5 odd numbers is 25. So what you should do is the 5 odd numbers. Count the odd numbers here. How many odd numbers are there? There won't be any even numbers here. Alright? So there are 5 odd numbers. So here there are 10 odd numbers. So 10 square 100. So here there are 12 odd numbers. 12 square 144. Like that, you count the odd numbers and make the square of the numbers that are present here. Not all the numbers, only the all the numbers. Count the numbers, and if there are 5 numbers, you should make the 5 square. So the sum of this 5 odd numbers will be 25. Like that. So this is the pattern in squares, right? So there is also another pattern here to express squares ending with unit digits 5, right? The squares right, you can take this 25 square. So here any number ending with 5, if you take 125 square, there is a pattern for that. This pattern is only valid for numbers ending with 5, right? So what you should do is, so 25 square, take this place only, take this units place only 5, right? 5 you should take, and what you should do here is make the square of 5. So 5 square is 25, right? 5 square is 25. Now here another number is left out. So 2, what you should do is, you have to multiply it by its next number. That is, after 2, what comes next? Next number is 3, right? So 2 into 3, it's 6. So 25 square will be 625. This pattern is valid for only numbers ending with 5. Okay? So you should make the 5 square here, 25, and 2 should multiply it by its next number. 2 into 3, that is 6. So 25 square is 625, like that. So you can also find squares using identities. So you all know algebraic identities. So here you should only use one identity to find square. Here only one identity is required to find squares, right? So here the identity is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square, right? For example, if I take 23 square, how to find using this identity? So I will show you how to find it using this identity. Okay, so what you should do is, so 23 we can write 23 square, we can write this as a plus b whole square. How to write it as a plus b whole square, you ask me, is, so 23, right? So 20 plus 3 whole square is a plus b whole square, right? So 20 plus 3 whole square is also written as 23 square. So 23 square can also be written as 20 plus 3 whole square. So 20 plus 3 whole square, so is equal to 20 square plus 2 into 20 into 3 plus 3. Okay, so how you ask me is here. So what you should do here, 23 square, you should should make it as a plus b whole square. So 23 square can be written as 20 plus 3 whole square. Okay, 20 plus 3 whole square. should make it to a plus b whole square, right? So here it is 20 plus 3 whole square. Yeah, in every sum you should do like this. If I give you the 39 square, you should make it 30 plus 9 whole square. If I give you 42 square, should make it 40 plus 2 whole square. If I give you 55 square, you should make it 50 plus 5 whole square. Okay, so next here comes, so here a plus b whole square, right? So here 20 is a and 3 is b. A plus b here whole square. So here a plus b whole square, right? So here a is 20 and b is 3. So 20 plus 3 whole square is 23 square. So next what you should do is, we are finding the square here, okay? So here a is 20 and b is 3, right? A is 20 and b is 3. Don't forget the square here. It's actually 20 square, whole square it is. So if I split it, it will be 20 square, okay? 20 square plus 3 square, like that. So here 20 square, 20 plus 3 whole square is equal to 20 square. So a square here is 20 square. So a is 20, right? So you should make it a square. So 20 square plus, so here plus is there, negative, so here also plus, then 2ab. So 2 is like that. So a is 20 and 3 is b, right? So 2ab. ab is nothing but a multiplied by b, okay? So you should multiply 20 into 3. 2 into 2ab. 2 into a into b. So like that, 2 into 20 into 3. A is 20, b is 3, right? So 20 into 3 plus b square. So b is 3. So 3 square here, right? 3 square. Awesome. So you should find a square now. So next what to do is, so should multiply this. So 20 square, what do you get? 400, right? So plus again. So here plus, here plus. So 2 into 20 into 3. So how means? Should multiply 2 into 20, right? So 2 into 20 is 40, right? 40 into 3, if you multiply, you will get 120. So 120 plus 3 square. You know 3 square, right? 3 square, 9. So 9. So 400 plus 120 plus 9 gives you 23 square. So what is 400 plus 120 plus 9? So it is 529. Right? 400 plus 120, 520 plus 9, 529. Okay? So 529 is the square of 23. So 529 is a perfect square. As I mentioned before, all square numbers end with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So here it is ending with 9. So it is a square number, right? So 23 square is 509. Is the finding squares using identities method. This is the identities method. Okay. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Okay. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay home, stay safe from COVID-19, and watch my videos. Watch this space for more. Okay, I'll upload a new video. Okay. Okay, guys. Goodbye. Thank you.